Good morning, Tamina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. This is third video on angles. In the first two videos, we have developed the concept of angle and how to measure and draw angles. You can see the link in the description below. So let's start with the third one, and we are moving on towards the advanced level. So you need to understand what is complementary angle and what is supplementary angle. Third thing. So now complementary angle, as it is written here, when you add up two angles, if the sum is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angles. So for example, if this is 20 degree, then what the angle A will be? 70 degree, because 70 plus 20 is 90. Similarly, if this is 65, then this angle will be 25 degree. So when the sum of two angles equals to 90 degree, it is called complementary angle. Now supplementary angles, when the sum of two angles equals to 180 degree, it is called supplementary angle. So if I say this angle is 120 degree, then what angle A will be? 60 degree. Okay, so now you understood what are complementary and supplementary angles. So let's see here. We have to find the angle marked in X. By the way, I will not only give you the answer, but I will explain you the rest of the concept attached with that question. Number one thing, you need to understand the meaning when these symbols are drawn on the line. It means they all have the same length. Okay, this length is equals to this length, equals to this length, equals to this length. I have to find out in this case value of angle X. Angle X is here. Now, right now they have drawn this symbol which means perpendicular, and perpendicular means 90 degree. So that's why you will do straight away 90 minus 72 to find out the value of X. My point here is, even if it is not written here, this symbol, suppose this 90 degree symbol which was drawn here, if it is not here, how do I know it is 90? Because if all the sides are same in a quadrilateral, then it is a square. Yes or no? So it is 90 degree. So that's why we know we will do 90 minus 72. What about question B? If you see the line EG, which is this one, it's a straight line. And we know straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. It means sum of these three should be equals to 180. So if you are writing it algebraically, you will write it like this. Why? Because this angle is X. The symbol means 90 perpendicular, and this is 48. So that's why I've written that sum of three angles will be equals to 180. And after that, you can minus it. I hope you know this thing. So what the answer will be? First of all, add up 90 and 48. And then minus it from 180. Why I'm doing it? Because at your level, calculator is not allowed. So you should do it mentally, quickly. So it is 42 degree. Right. What about part C? Now here one property which you must remember, when two lines cross each other like this, you know this angle equals to this angle and this angle equals to this angle. And what it is called? It is called vertically opposite angle. Right. So now if I look at this diagram, and I have to answer what is the value of X, I can say X equals to 30 degrees straight away. I don't need to do any working here because it is vertically opposite angle. Now to make this question little difficult, what a teacher can do, she can not give anything here, nothing. And she said find out this angle X. Then which concept you will apply first? Within this, you will apply the concept of sum of the angle of a triangle. So you can name it yourself, because this angle and this angle is same. So this is also x, vertically opposite angle. After that you can do x plus 90 plus 60 equals to 180, and then solve it just like we have solved the above example, right? Okay, let's do 2 more questions and then we will end this video. Now at times question look difficult, but you have to focus slowly, one aspect at a time. So if I look at this line, this one, this is a straight line. It means all the angle should be equals to 180. So I can do x plus 82 plus 82 equals to 180, right? And then you can add up. 82 plus 82 is what? 164, and then minus it from 180. So it is what? 16 degree. So you got the value of x here. But what about y and z? Do you notice something? If you see this line and this line, they are straight lines. They are meeting. It means angle x and z are same. Yes or no? Angle x and angle z. So you can see z is equals to x is equals to 16 degree. And reason is vertically opposite angle. Whenever x is made, opposite angles are same. Now how will you calculate y? Any idea? You see, we are going slowly. So how you will calculate y now? Again, look at the straight line. If I look at the straight line, this one, I can see sum of these angle equals to 180. It means x, 82 and y. So sum of these angle will be 180. I can say x plus 82 plus y equals to 180 degree, because these are the angles on a straight line. You can see here this angle and this angle. So they are making a straight line. X you already know is 16 degree. You have calculated in the earlier part. So now you add them up, take them to this side and minus from 180. Let's see part B. I can calculate z very easily because this is a straight line and sum of the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So z plus 47 equals to 180. So to calculate z, you will do 180 minus 47. Now I have to calculate x and y. What will I do now? Any idea? If I pick up this straight line right now, same one, and I look at these angles here, y, 90 and x, I can't solve it. You know why? Because I don't know x and y both. So right now I cannot solve it. So I have to do some other straight line in the given question. This is how you look at the question. You identify yourself what is possible, what is not possible. So if I look at this straight line, in this straight line, this is one angle, 3 angles. So this is 90, this is 47 and this is y. This is easy. So I can do 90 plus y plus 47. And once I will calculate this, then I will. So now calculation of y is simple. You will simply do 180 minus 47 and minus 90. When you will get answer from here, I am not calculating it. So you will know z from here. You will know y from here. So substitute y and get x. Right? So this is how you solve question which looks at a glance complicated, but if you do stepwise, you will find it easy. Thank you very much. In the next video, we will start connecting it with the parallel lines. That will be video number 4. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.